Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use zero harm fat burner. To begin, understanding the correct dosage is crucial for maximizing your results. Most fat burners, including zero harm, typically recommend taking 1 or 2 capsules per day. It's always best to carefully read and adhere to the specific instructions provided on your product's packaging. Remember, consistency in your daily routine is absolutely essential to unlock the full potential of this supplement and support your wellness journey effectively. Now, let's talk about the best time to take your zero harm fat burner. For optimal absorption and effectiveness, it's generally recommended to take your capsules with a full glass of water about 30 minutes before your main meals. If you're an active individual, consider taking one dose approximately 30 minutes before your exercise session to help boost your energy levels. However, to ensure a good night's sleep, try to avoid taking the supplement too late in the evening, as it may contain stimulating ingredients. So, what can you expect when incorporating zero harm fat burner into your routine? Many users report a noticeable boost in their metabolic rate, which helps your body burn calories more efficiently. You might also experience enhanced energy levels, helping you stay focused and active throughout your day. This supplement is designed to support your body's natural fat-burning mechanisms, working synergistically with a healthy lifestyle to help you achieve your wellness goals. To truly maximize the benefits of your zero harm fat burner, remember that it works best as part of a holistic approach. Always pair your supplement intake with a balanced, nutritious diet and a consistent exercise routine. Staying well hydrated is also crucial. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout your day. Finally, before introducing any new supplement into your regimen, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's right for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.